Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That knows I yours truly Dex Media. And today I'm doing something a little bit different. I don't know, so I do a little tutorial on some tips, like for better have some photographer like tricks in terms of editing processing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please remember to hit the subscribe button if you don't subscribe as yet. Plus, remember to leave a like and a comment. Thank you. So, forward on, let me show you what I'm going. Okay, guys. So, let me open up Adobe Lightroom. Alright, open up Adobe Lightroom. Guys, Adobe Lightroom is normally the first process, the first place, like when you're gonna do your editing. So this Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the process right through. Alright, in terms of if you take a picture and the picture is overexposed or underexposed, you have some tricks with how you can fix that. So I'm gonna give you some tips right now. Hey guys, so as you can see, I open up Adobe Lightroom. So this is the before, because I have a preset. I just run my preset over a picture already. So so make my preset available. So if anyone of you want it, yeah, I can always provide a preset. But for now, as you can see the picture, this picture is so nice. Look at the detail, rich and nice, very very nice. Look at her eyes. So actually first thing I'm gonna do right now is actually do some work on her eyes. You understand? Let me put this in full screen. When you get full screen, you go right here, you press this little thing right here, so this shape, and then you just go right here to get it to full screen. See the full screen option here? Yeah, full screen. Alright. So now you have to go to your brush. See your brush on your right hand corner. Adjustment brush. And then now Lightroom normally have a brush that dedicated for the eyes. So I'm gonna go on the teeth whitening. I'm gonna get the white piece right here to be whiter. Alright, let's do this. Alright, you're gonna get your brush bigger. Easy, very very easy. Alright, so you keep on rub. And there's a easy way to do this also, to make sure that you're rubbing the right way. You can click this right here, down the bottom right here, say show selected mask overlay. As you can see, these red part are the place that getting the effect. So all of this here are gonna get the effect. You understand? And then now next thing I can do is you can bring down the size, because as you can see, you don't want to mess up over here. Alright, so you can press this to get rid of that because it's in the way. Alright, so you're gonna just paint over here also, so it look good. Alright, let's finish this side. Don't mind the fall in the background, people. Country me live. Come on, very very easy. Alright, so as you can see, you're complete. So right now you can just press back this here to get it back. Let's press it so you can actually see where the effect is applied. So right now, as you can see, this is a shady effect them, so the exposure is up a bit. I normally like to bring up my whites a bit more to get it looking nicer. Bring down the saturation. Okay, you want the eyes supposed to white. Yeah, but no, not really pump it too much. I still feel like I would have bring down a little more exposure. Cause when a picture edit, you don't want it to look obvious that it is edit. So this is good. Yeah, this is okay. Right now you want to work on the pupil. So let's pretty up the pupil. Alright, so Lightroom come with adjustment also for the pupil. Alright, so you can just look for it. Alright, the iris enhancement. Yeah, that's the preset that come in Lightroom, so you guys can get it straight from out of it. Alright, so basically, as you can see, alright, I could turn on back this again. Alright, turn it on back. Alright, so I could paint over the eyes. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Yeah, this is just some easy steps. Cause these can be done in Photoshop also, but I'm really trying to help out some of the young photographer that request this video to me the other day. Yeah, I'm really gonna do this for them. Alright, so basically that's that. So just turn this off back right now. Alright, so I'm gonna help you now, like getting the right colors for this right now to make it look good. Alright, now I'm gonna bring down my temperature. So bring down the temperature a bit more to get it off that nice look, that nice flare, around negative minus 21. Yeah, that's good. But now I'm gonna like to bring up some more shadows also. You don't want your eyes to look blue. This is looking a bit too blue right now. So I'm thinking I'm gonna bring it back somewhere. Bring it back to about 9. Yeah. And I'm also think I'm gonna bring back a bit of the saturation. I'm kinda don't like how it is looking right now. Yeah, this look much better. But her eyes is pretty differently, you know. I could go up on the before. Okay. Big difference. Big difference. Alright, let's bring up the shadows a bit more. Yeah. Bring back the exposure a bit. Alright. A bit more. No. You're about right here. So this is good. Minor adjustment is always good. Alright. So that's the before and the after. Alright, let me zoom out this picture so you can see it fully. Alright, and let's see what I go on. Alright. So the next thing that I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna fix her teeth. Look alright. But I'm still gonna work on it. Just minor adjustment, not much, because her teeth look really good. Or straight out of the camera. Alright, so let me take you through that. Okay, let's go. Alright, so you just double tap and you get to zoom in. Alright, just go to this right hand corner. You look for the brush that name teeth whitening. You select it and you just start brushing, just like what I'm doing right now. Just brush. Just keep on brush. Very easy steps. This is very easy. I think all photographers should be doing this to get your picture on the next level. If you're not really using like Photoshop that much. Alright. This is good. Alright, so let me show them my hand so you can see how me I rub it out. So basically me just rub. Alright. Alright guys. So let us adjust this as usual. Alright. Let us bring down a little bit of the exposure. Alright. Bring down the saturation as usual. Alright, and I think that's it. This don't need no more adjustments. Alright. So that's it. This is looking really good so far. Let's go on the before and the after. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Alright, so next thing that we're gonna do, alright, then, yeah, the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take this picture into Photoshop. Alright guys, so let's bring this image into Photoshop, because Photoshop is gonna give you the real editing, retouching that we need to with this image. Alright, to bring this picture over to Photoshop, all you're gonna do is you make sure that you go all the way over here. Alright, you go to photos and go to edit in, and then you just go to edit in Adobe Photoshop. I have the 2021 version. Alright, so it's gonna ask you what you want to edit it in. As you can see, edit a copy with Lightroom adjustment. Yeah, that's what I want to do, so we can bring it over back. Yeah, understand? Yeah, so let's do that. Alright, open anyways. Alright, so basically as you can see, Adobe Photoshop just actually open up. Yeah, just open up. So I'm gonna just bring you through the steps. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get a little bit bigger. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do right now, at this right hand corner right here, people, background, that's a background. You want to make a copy of it, so just drag it to this plus right here, so you have a background copy. So the next step I'm gonna do is to zoom in. So to zoom in, you press control and a plus symbol on your keyboard, just like that, to zoom it in. I want to zoom it in a bit more because I actually need to see if this image have any spots, so I can do some cleaning up on it and so on. Alright, yeah guys, let's zoom in. Yeah, zoom in same way, because I mean, if you inspect the skin to see if everything is alright on it, if I have to do some spot removal or so forth. Alright, just one thing I see right here. Yeah, that spot. Alright, so what I'm actually gonna do right now, I'm gonna alright, let's look our layers there. Our layers. Alright, let's make a background copy again. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Alright, let's go to over here to the left hand corner. As you can see, I'm over the left hand corner. You're gonna look for this tool that says spot healer. Alright, so this is the spot healing brush. Alright, spot healing brush. You're gonna take your brush right now. You wanna get your brush size a bit bigger. You just press I'm gonna show you what you press. Alright, so this is the key that you press to get your brush bigger. This one, this, or this. Yeah, this get it smaller and this get it bigger. Yeah, this symbol, see it there, getting much bigger. Yes guys. Yeah guys, so let's do this. Alright, in order to get rid of this right now, all you're gonna do is just rub your brush. Rub it. Yeah, rub it like that. See it? It's gone. Alright, let's look and see if we see any more spots. Alright, see there's another one. Alright, Alright, let's do this. Let's get the brush a bit smaller and just press and I use that. Mad. Alright, she have some other spots up here same way. Let's take our time and get rid of it. Yeah, just like that, people. Just like that. Just like that. I'm not gonna let this video too long. Alright, so she's very, very beautiful, as you can see. Not a lot of spots. So alright, so let's go to the next step right now. Next step we're gonna go to right now. Alright, let's go back on the layer. Alright, so I have actions right now for Photoshop. So so all I need to do right now is go on I'm gonna do low frequency to smooth out our skin and bring back the texture and all that. High pass, you're gonna go through this step. Just click OK. Yeah guys. Alright, so you want to go down here right now to your background copy. Alright, because you're working with that. All steps you're working with that. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Alright, let's get the screen a little bit bigger. In order to get the screen bigger, let's go on view, screen mode. Alright, I'm not gonna get it bigger because it can stay like this, but if you did want it to get bigger, all you did have to go screen mode and go in full size, but I'm gonna let it stay. Alright, let's do this now. Let's zoom out a bit. Alright, so we see the full face now. Alright, you're gonna go on the mixer brush now. Find a mixer brush. Yeah, this is the mixer brush. You let you right click and then you can press Ctrl B also. Let's do it. Get the brush size a bit bigger again. A bit bigger. Yeah, around right here is very, very good. Alright. So in order to work, alright, you're gonna press, click and rub. Click and rub. And you must know the click that I'm talking when I say click and rub. Just like this. But you have to brush in one direction though. One direction. You can't be brushing all over the place. And just use your eyes to make sure that it's what you want it to be. You understand? So I'm just gonna take my time and brush. Right now you can see adjustments is going on. Alright. I'm gonna show you the brush, or you do the brushing. Yeah, when I say brush, all you do is just brush like that. Brush. Or you just do it like that. You have to do it in a straight direction. You understand? Yeah, that's the way you do it. Yeah guys, let's continue the process. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take down my brush a bit more because I'm working on this small area. And I don't normally brush everywhere either, because you don't want your photos to look fake, you understand? I'm trying to keep it natural as possible. Yeah, plus her makeup done really, really good, as you can see. Yeah, big up the makeup artist. Yeah guys, hopefully this video is very helpful to you guys. Alright, let's take our time and use the brush same way. Alright, let's get the brush a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, very, very good. Yeah guys, so basically, as you can see, we're finishing already. Yeah, because you don't know, so you want to leave some detail in the picture, so you don't want to brush out everywhere and everywhere. You understand? Alright, I'm gonna get it a little bit smaller so we can take our time and brush right here to our cheeks and then hit our mouth. Let's take our time and do it slowly. Alright. Alright, let's look at the before and the after right now. There. Alright. Yeah. Just some minor adjustment, not much. Guys, as me tell you earlier, you don't want your picture to look fake. Alright, let's go back. Just back. Yeah, we wanna finish the process right now. Alright. I'm gonna get my brush bigger. Yeah. When I just started out Photoshop, I couldn't bother with it. I'm telling you the truth. It's not a easy software to use. It's very hard. But I take my time and I'm still pressing it on the same way. Yeah, because I love editing. Yeah, I love take pictures. It's my passion. So I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get me there. Alright, you can go and undo because I think I go overboard a bit. Just do back this process. You don't really want to mess with the highlight area. That's a key point, especially your nose and certain places. You don't want to trouble certain places because you will get rid of certain things. Yeah, that cannot be undo. Alright, just take your time and brush. As you can see, I'm taking my time and brush. Yeah, you have to do it on straight. Yeah, you can't be all over the place with the brush. It's just like when you're painting. Yeah, you want to keep it neat as possible. Alright, let's get the brush smaller back. Let's get the brush bigger again. And basically that's it. Yeah, that's how you want your picture to look. You don't want it to look fake. Yeah, right now I'm gonna take you to the finishing. Or you save this picture. If you wanna save it now, all you need to do, I just go right here. I can go up on Control Save to Control Save, and it will save automatically. Alright here, just save on your computer. Alright, and then now you just save the file type, change that to JPEG, and then now you just wherever you wanna save it, you save it. I'm gonna save it in photos. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have a folder for it separately. Alright, save it as work. You just go and open, and it's gonna be saved right now. Alright, so the mag ask the quality. Alright, me keep it at 12. I like when my file is large, so keep it 12. I just hit OK. So right now the picture is saving. As you can see it right down here. So it has save. So you reach 3%, now you reach. As soon as you reach 100%, you know so you're done. So you can go locate your file. Yeah. Yeah guys, so you have come to the end of my video. another video. This is the first of many, because this is the first I ever done a tutorial like this. Yeah. Remember, if you leave something in the comment section, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. And if you don't know watch some other video them, I'm gonna see run right now, or you can click on it and watch the other video them. Yeah man, peace out, Text Media. Big up on yourself.